Good morning. I am Mrs. Tamilchelvi. Today's topic is acoustics. We are going to revise the acoustics lesson. What is acoustics? Acoustics is a branch of physics. What it deals? It deals with the control of sound, production of sound, transmission of sound, effects of sound. What is sound? Vibrating bodies, it produces some energy. This energy in the form of waves is called sound wave. How sound is produced? You have to take a musical instrument. While you are playing that, you can hear a sound, or you have to touching a ringing bell, you are able to hear a sound. Suppose you and your friend on the moon, will you be able to hear any sound produced by your friend? The moon does not have any air, because that's the reason your friend is able to hear. Your friend is making any sound on the moon. You are not able to hear any sound produced by your friend. Is sound need any medium to propagate? Give an example. Sound needs medium to propagate. Solid medium, steel. Liquid medium, water. Gaseous medium, air. The sound, it travels in the longitudinal waves that can travel through any medium, solid, liquid and gases. What are longitudinal waves? The longitudinal waves in medium, it moves to and fro motion through the propagation, the direction of the wave. The longitudinal waves, it possesses compression and rarefaction. We define compression and rarefaction. The compressions are having higher pressure region. While you are taking any string, it will be closed in turns. We call it as compression. What is rarefactions? The rarefaction, it have lower pressure region. The turns are far apart. We can call it as rarefaction. What's the audible range of frequency? The audible range of frequency is ranging from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. You have to say an example, the bodies such as vocal cords, stretched strings, etc. Define infrasonic waves. Give an example. The infrasonic waves having lower frequency, the range of the frequency is below 20 Hz. You can say some example, waves produced during earthquakes, ozone waves, sound produced by the whales. Define ultrasonic waves. Give an example. The ultrasonic waves are higher frequencies. Its range is about 20,000 Hz. Example, some human ears are not able to found ultrasonic waves, but some of the animals are able to found it. Dogs, mosquitoes, bats and dolphins. List out the difference between the sound and light waves. Sound, light. Medium is required for the sound waves to propagate. Medium is not required for the light waves to propagate. Sound wave has longitudinal waves. Light waves are transverse waves. Sound waves having the frequent wavelength ranges from 1.65 meter to 1.65 1.65 centimeter to 1.65 meter. So wavelength ranges from 4 into 10 power minus 7 to 7 into 10 power minus 7 meter. Sound waves travel in air with a speed of about 340 meter per second at NTP. NTP means normal temperature and pressure. Light waves travels in air with a speed of 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Define velocity. Velocity is defined as the distance per unit time. Velocity is defined as the distance per unit time. What's the SI unit of velocity? The SI unit of velocity is meter. What is particle wave or particle velocity? The velocity with which the particles of the medium vibrate in order to transfer the energy in the form of a wave is called particle velocity or particle wave. What is wave velocity? The velocity with which the wave travels through the medium. The velocity with which the wave travels through the medium is called velocity wave or wave velocity. Define velocity of a sound wave. The distance traveled by a sound wave in unit time is called the velocity of a sound wave. The distance traveled by a sound wave in unit time is called the velocity of sound wave. The velocity equal to distance by time taken, that's v is equal to lambda by t. That frequency n is equal to 1 by t, that's why v is equal to n lambda. What is one wavelength? Give its symbol. If the distance travelled by one wave to taken as one wavelength, that is lambda. What is one time period? Give its symbol. The time taken for the propagation in one time period, that is t, mentioned as t. Velocity of sound wave is maximum in solids. Why? The velocity of sound wave is maximum in solid because they are more elastic in nature when compared to liquids and gases. We have to say Vs, Vl, Vg. In between you can put greater than symbol. Gas only having least sound velocity of sound wave is least in gas, maximum in case of solids. Which are all the factors affecting velocity of sound? There are three factors affecting velocity of sound: effect of density, effect of pressure, effect of density, effect of temperature, effect of humidity. The effect of density, the velocity of sound in a gas is inversely proportional to the square root of the density of the gas. Again I repeat it, the velocity of the sound in a gas is inversely proportional to the square root of the density of the gas. The velocity decreases as the density of the gas increases. V is proportional to square root of 1 by d. V is proportional to square root of 1 by d. Effect of temperature, the velocity of the sound in gas is directly proportional to the square root of the temperature. The velocity of sound in gas is directly proportional to the square root of its temperature. The velocity of sound in a gas increases with increase in temperature. The effect of relative humidity, when humidity increases, the speed of the sound also increases. When the humidity increases, the speed of the sound also increases. That is why you can hear the sound from long distance clearly during the rainy season. because of humidity in the air. The speed of sound in different media, the nature of the medium, name of the medium, speed of sound in meter per second. Nature of the medium, solid. Name of the medium, copper. 5010. Iron 5950. Aluminium 6420. Nature of the medium, liquid. Name of the medium, kerosene 1324. Water 1493. Seawater 1533. The name of the medium is gas. Nature of the medium, air at 0 degrees Celsius 331, air at 20 degrees Celsius 343. What is reflection? When sound waves travel at a given medium and strike the surface of another medium, they can be bounced back into the first medium. Again I'll repeat it. When sound waves travel in a given medium and strike the surface of another medium, they can be bounced back into the first medium. This phenomenon is known as reflection. The bouncing of sound waves from the interface between two media is termed as reflection of sound. What is reflection of sound? The bouncing of sound wave from interface between two media is termed as reflection of sound. Define incident waves and reflected waves. The waves that strike the interface are termed as incident waves, and the waves bounce back are termed as reflected waves. Define normal. A perpendicular line drawn at the point of incident is called the normal. The perpendicular line drawn at a point of incident is called the normal. Define angle of incidence. The angle which the incident sound waves makes with normal is called the angle of incidence, I. Define angle of reflection, R. The angle which the reflected wave makes with a normal is called a single angle of reflection. Reflection at the boundary of denser media. It's very, very important. 4 marks sometimes. They may ask in 7 mark also. Learn carefully. The medium in which the velocity of sound decreases compared to other medium is called denser medium. The medium in which the velocity of sound decreases compared to other medium is called denser medium. Air is denser compared to water for sound. Thus, a compression traveling towards the right is reflected as a compression traveling towards the left. The displacement of the medium particle in the reflected wave is in the opposite direction to the displacement of the particle in incident waves. Reflection at the boundary of rarer medium. The medium in which the velocity of sound increases compared to other medium is called rarer medium. Water is rarer compared to air for sound. The medium in which the velocity of sound increases compared to other medium is called rarer medium. Thus, the compression after a reflection at a rarer medium returns as a rarefaction. Thus, no phase change takes place when a longitudinal wave is reflected from the surface of the rarer medium. Similarly, incident refraction is reflected as a compression. Similarly, instant rarefaction is reflected as a compression. Plane and curved surface. You are seeing the plane surface and a curved surface pictures here. Surface of book, matchbox, almirah, table, etc. are the examples of plane surfaces. The surfaces which are not flat are called curved surfaces. The surfaces which are not flat are called curved surfaces. The surfaces of a ball or an apple or an orange is curved or is a spherical surface. Spherical surfaces are formed by only one surface. What is an echo? An echo sound reproduced due to the reflection of the original sound from certain rigid surfaces such as walls, ceilings, surface of mountains, etc. State two conditions necessary for hearing an echo. The perception of the hearing of human ear is 0.1 seconds. This means that you can hear two sound waves clearly. If the sound intervals between the two sounds is at least 0.1 second, thus the minimum time gap between the original sound and an echo must be 0.1 seconds. When the distance between the source of sound and the reflecting surface would satisfy the equation velocity equal distance travelled by sound by time taken. Distance travelled by sound by time taken, that's V is equal to 2D by T. That's why D is equal Vt by 2. Since T is equal to 0, 1 second, then D is equal to V into 0.1 by 2 is equal to V by 2D. Thus the minimum distance required to hear an echo is 1 by 20th part of the magnitude of the velocity of sound in air. If you consider the velocity of sound as 344 meter per second, the minimum distance required to hear an echo is 17.2 meter. What are the medical application of echo? Some animals communicate with each other over long distances and also locate objects by sending the sound signals and receiving the echo as reflected from the targets. The principle of echo is used to obscure ultrasonography, which is used to create real-time visual images of the developing embryo or fetus in the mother's womb, uterus. This is a safe testing tool as it does not use any harmful radiations. Echo is used to determine the velocity of sound waves in any medium. How can you calculate the speed of sound using echo? The measuring velocity of sound by echo method. The apparatus required, the source of sound pulses, a measuring tape, a sound receiver and a stopwatch. What is the procedure? Measuring the distance d between the source of sound pulse and the reflecting surface using the measuring tape. The receiver is also placed adjacent to the source. A sound pulse is emitted by the source. The stopwatch is used to note the time interval between the instant at which the sound pulse is sent and the instant of which the echo is received by the receiver. Note the time interval as t. Repeat the experiment for these of 4 times. The average time taken for the given number of pulses is calculated. Calculation of speed of sound. Sound pulse emitted by the source travels a total distance of 2d while traveling from the source to the wall and then back to the receiver. The time taken for this has been observed to be t. Hence, the speed of sound wave is given by the speed of sound is equal distance travelled by time taken is equal 2d by t. Again I will repeat, speed of sound is equal distance travelled by time taken, that's equal 2d by t. What are the applications of sound? The sound is applied in soundboard, eardrum and megaphones. What is Doppler effect? Whenever there is a relative motion between a source and a listener, the frequency of the sound heard by the listener is different from the original frequency of sound emitted by the source. This is known as Doppler effect. Again I will repeat it. Whenever there is a relative motion between the source and a listener, the frequency of the sound heard by the listener is different from the original frequency of sound emitted by the source. This is known as Doppler effect. Write the various possibilities of Doppler effect. The listener moves towards or away from a stationary source. The listener moves towards or away from the stationary source. The source moves towards or away from the stationary listener. The source moves towards or away from the stationary listener. Both sources and listeners move towards or away from one another. Both source and listener move towards or away from one another. The medium moves when both source and listener are at rest. The medium moves when both source and listener are at rest. Write the conditions for Doppler effects. Write the conditions for no Doppler effect. When source S and the listener L both are at rest. When source S and the listener L are both are at rest. When S and L move in such a way that distance between them remains constant. When S and L, in which a way the distance between them remains constant. When source S and L are moving in mutually perpendicular directions. When source L and when source S and L are moving in mutually perpendicular direction. If the source is situated at the center of the circle along which the listener is moving. If the source is situated at the center of the circle along which the listener is moving. Next is application of Doppler effect. To measure the speed of an automobile, the electromagnetic wave is emitted by source attached at a police car. The wave is reflected by a moving vehicle which act as a moving source. There is a shift in the frequency of the reflected wave. From the frequency shift, the speed of the car can be determined. This helps to track the overspeeding vehicles. Tracking a satellite, the frequency of radio waves emitted by a satellite decreases as the satellite passes away from the earth. By measuring the change in the frequency of the radio waves, the location of the satellite is studied. Radar. Radar is radio detectors and ranging. Radio detection and ranging. In radar, the radio waves are sent and the reflected waves are detected by the receiver of the radar station. From the frequency change, the speed and location of the aeroplanes and aircrafts are tracked. Sonar. Sonar, by measuring the change in the frequency between the sent signal and received signal, the speed of marine animals and submarines can be determined. What is apparent frequency? The apparent frequency is the frequency of the sound as heard by the listener. Apparent frequency is the frequency of the sound is as heard by the listener. Let N and N be the N dash. Let N and N dash be the frequency of the sound produced by the source and the sound absorbed by the listener respectively. Then the expression for the apparent frequency N dash is equal to V plus VL by V minus Vs divided into multiplied by N. N dash is equal to V plus VL by V minus Vs multiplied by N. Expression for apparent frequency due to Doppler effects. First one is both source and listener move. They move towards each other. Note the distance between the source and listener decreases. Apparent frequency is more than actual frequency. N dash is equal to V plus VL by V minus Vs multiplied by N. Second one, both source and listener moves. They move away from each other. Note the distance between the source and the listener increases. The apparent frequency is less than actual frequency. Vs and VL becomes opposite to that in case 1. N dash is equal to V minus VL by V plus Vs into N. The third one, both source and the listener move. They move one behind the other. Source follows the listener. The apparent frequency depends on the velocity of the source and the listener. The VL becomes opposite that in case 2. The N dash is equal to V minus VL by V minus Vs into N. Fourth one, both source and the listener move. They move one behind the other. The listener follows the source. Apparent frequency depends on the velocities of the source and the listener. Vs and VL becomes opposite to that in case 3. N dash is equal to V plus VL by V plus Vs multiplied by N. The fifth one, source at rest, listener moves towards the source. The distance between the source and the listener decreases. The apparent frequency is more than actual frequency. Vs equal to 0 in case 1. N dash is equal to V plus VL by V into N. Sixth one, source at rest, listener moves away from the source. The distance between source and listener increases. The apparent frequency is less than actual frequency. Vs is equal to 0 in case 2. N dash is equal to V minus VL by V multiplied by N. Seventh one, the listener at rest, source moves towards the listener. The distance between the source and the listener decreases. Apparent frequency is more than actual frequency. VL equal to 0 in case 1. N dash is equal V by V minus S into N. The last one, listener at rest, source moves away from the listener. The distance between the source and listener increases. Apparent frequency is less than actual frequency. VL equal to 0 in case 2. N dash is equal V by V plus Vs into N. These are all the 8 expressions for apparent frequency due to Doppler effect. This is already I told you, it's very very important. 4 mark and 1 mark question. Learn thoroughly. We know everybody is learning very well. Keep going. 1 month you must work hard. You must achieve your goal. Thank you very much. We will meet in the next video.